No more twiddling your thumbs. You're selling and the time has come to whip your well-beloved home into shape. Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team of Keller Williams. Let's talk about what's next now that you're ready to sell your house. What repairs and improvements are worth doing before you sell? Here's 6 things to consider. First, paint. Paint is one of the cheapest, easiest ways to update your home and get it ready to list. Reach out today for a consultation on if this would be of value to you, and we'll provide the colors to get you rolling. Number 2, the exterior. Help buyers locate your home by freshening those house numbers, which will also boost your curb appeal, along with fresh mulch and some planters on your porch. If you have more time, you can even pressure wash your driveway and sidewalks. Number 3, the kitchen. Give those kitchen cabinets, appliances, and backsplash a serious scrubbing. Install new hardware or light fixtures, maybe even replace countertops, but don't do a full renovation unless your realtor advises it and can show you the cost to value once they're done. Number 4, bathrooms. Cleanliness is king, but so is functionality. So repair those running toilets and leaky faucets. Even consider replacing a dingy toilet seat. Number 5, lighting. The brighter the better. So ditch those heavy drapes for breezy curtains or maybe no curtains at all. Let in as much sunlight as possible, and even consider changing your light bulbs to daylight bulbs to fill the rooms with light. Number 6, flooring. There is nothing like walking into a home with freshly refinished hardwood floors, and typically there will be a return on this investment. So reach out today if you're encouraging what preparation needs to go into place in order to get out of the gate and have a successful experience in getting the highest back in proceeds from the investment of your home. Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team. Look forward to talking with you today.